Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world today. I hope you're absolutely fantastic. It's been a while since I've put an update out, so yeah, it's best that I do that now. Before I continue, I just want to say it's pretty freaking awesome that 8,500 followers are getting to see this work that I've put in throughout the years. So if you're new to the community or just browsing over the work that I've put in, welcome. It's great to have you with us. And let's get into today's kind of follow up to what's been happening in the markets. Just in terms of what I've been saying, is that we've been waiting for confirmation for the leg to finish off, as you can tell by this top row over here. And it's taken a while. It's taken a while for this confirmation to come in. And the good news, guys, is I think it's finally here. So what that means is obviously buy high, sell low, right? So when you trade in trend, you buy high, sell low on a downtrend. Or if you're going in an uptrend, you buy low, sell high. So we're now in a downward transition. And I'll put together some more specifics as how far lower it's going to go a bit later on. But we are getting confirmation as it's breaking out of this red line over here, or it's this red arc rather. I call it the kill zone. That it's trying to get into this next transition down. So I suppose you would want to know how far it's going to go. For it to remain down in a downtrend overall, is got to break the recent low, which is down here at about 60,000. But there has been quite a significant downtrend already from the 120,000 down there, and then down again, and then a lower high again. So I'm not entirely sure if we're going to get a lower low, but I'm getting more and more certain that we are in a downward transition. So again, trade with trend. That means buy high, sell low. And I'll give you the updated details in the new week. For those who have been following my story, I have quite a significant. Whilst I'm on Twitter, by the way, Twitter is still saying that Bitcoin's going to go up and up and up, and we're seeing 250,000 soon, and you're buying the dip, and it's going to rally. But to them, I say no, that's not true. I've been telling you guys this for a while now, since around about the 21st of April, that we're getting the downward transition, right? And that's exactly what's happening. The other thing I want to actually follow up on now that I see a chair is the law of vibration, right? So Gann's law of vibration said it was going to get to this level in which we are, where it actually stopped at. In fact, it kind of hovered there, retested it, tried to do so a third time, and then it said, all right, cool. We're done with that level, and now it's going to go down. So in fact, what I'll do is for next week is I'll put in my usual take on where the market's going to land up next. Obviously, weeks in advance, unlike the other guys who battle to get hours in advance. As well as what the law of vibration, according to Gann, will say for that transition down. So I'm pretty excited about that, to be honest, because it really performed so well over here. Just kind of a side story. I didn't really know why it kept on going up and up and up. I was super confused to see prices rallying and rallying and rallying and rallying. But now I see that there's a law of vibration that needs to be adhered to, according to Gann and according to Bitcoin and according to numerology and how all of that majestic stuff comes together. I'm really excited to see where the next level will be according to the law of vibration, again, by Gann. Just to close off, if you've been following my story, I've got some positive news. I don't know where I've put it. I think on the wrong side. Sorry, the wrong screens. And that is the automated trading is wiring and firing. And I'm pretty excited to say that it's all coming together. So I'm going through the process at the moment, whereas I'm going through what nuances needs to be refined and such, but it's all coming together, and the automated system has been making profitable trades into my account, and I'm quite excited to report on that. So things are looking ironically to the upside for me personally, but of course for Bitcoin, as made mention to, we're in a downtrend, but that's okay. Buy high, sell low, short the market, and make money on the way down. More on this next week. All right, that's it for now. I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.